Wake the up, samurai. We have a city to burn.
Check this out.
Oh, shit!
Oh my god, James Charles. Whoa. Yeah, because that's pretty. Oh my god!
No, you gotta respect that, but Drake just does whatever he...
What are those Neanderthals up to? Don't they know I'm busy spoiling myself?
Back at it again at
Mario Kart.
We have a city to burn.
Today, right? He just started following you? You haven't met him before?
No.
All right, well, you should meet him.
Dude! Dude!
You was at the club, bottoms up. When I first met you, couldn't get enough. Had to get you straight to my bedroom. Drink some wake up. Crib is large, so you can bring your friends too. Pillow full of makeup, take some bash, you doing your own thing.
Look! It wasn't me, okay?
Look around you. Look at this. We created this. This didn't exist before we were here. Look around at the square. I promise you right now, we did this. Doesn't matter what anybody says.
Drop the drum!
It's okay, nigga. I got that.
Krispy Kreme.
Avengers! Assemble.
So what kind of research are you doing in space that we can't do anywhere else?
That's a great question, Mark. You know,
Hey, you're talking about me. Ooh, nice one.
Good.
Open.